Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I am testing out another makeup product and it is Charlotte Tilbury's bronzer, the brand new bronzer that was released about a month or so ago. This is the Beautiful Skin Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer, smoothing, healthy looking glow cream bronzer for face and body, infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin D. And there's a whopping 21 grams in here. It comes in 3 shades. I got it in medium, I think. I can't see. Where does it show me what I've got it in? It comes in deep, medium and tan. The tan is the lightest one, but I wanted to go for a medium, even though I am quite pale. Currently I've got just foundation on my face, nothing else. So I thought, oh, I'd pop on to show you what this is like on my skin. It is huge. Look at the size of it. It is huge. And it costs £42. You've got a mirror, and that's the pan there. As you can see, I've been using it. I've been using it non-stop since I got it a few weeks ago. I absolutely love it. It's very, very strange. The texture, it feels like a creamy powder. I'll just show you a bit on my hand. But it blends in really effortlessly. It is so, so nice. Really, really nice. Yeah, the reason I went for the medium as opposed to the tan is because I wear a lot of fake tan in the summer months. I just thought, yeah, the medium would suit me better because I really do like to tan up my face. And I thought, ooh, my chest as well. So even though it is huge, I am going to be taking this on holiday with me because I love it so much. But it is massive, isn't it? I wish you were able to purchase this in smaller sizes because that would be amazing. So if you don't know anything about this product, I'll just give you a bit of a lowdown about it. Achieve instantly sun-kissed skin without spending time in the sun with a new glow giving cream bronzer fresh from the makeup icon that is Charlotte Tilbury. With 4 beautiful sun-drenched shades. Sorry, I bought it from Cult Beauty. More than just makeup, this creamy bronzer uses a film-forming resin to create a magic shield that seals in the skincare benefits and instantly boosts the appearance of your complexion for a humidity-resistant glow. Add in finely milled pearls for a healthy illuminated bronze glow and silky polymers that ensure completely flawless coverage for your face and body. Get ready to bronze to your heart's content. It's time to infuse summer into your skin all year round with Charlotte Tilbury's beautifully hydrating, glow-giving bronzer. So I use a big powder brush, just lightly swirl it around, so you can see the colour there. And this is Zoeva 106 powder brush. This is the brush I've been using recently and I really like it. I start by just placing it, can you see there, in very light swirling motions, and then coming down to the tops of my cheeks, and then carry on swirling all the way to my forehead and around, so really warming up my skin, and then come down here, so doing the traditional 3 points. It is so easy to blend. It is so lovely because of this powdery cream formula. Oh, you can't really make a mistake. Yeah, you could put too much on, but I absolutely love it. There's this side without, and then this side with. I've tried using different brushes, smaller brushes, sponges even, just to find out what my preference is. And by far, this powder brush here is my favourite. But yeah, my main aim is to warm up my face and make it look more bronzed and sun-kissed, and a little bit over my nose. Just naturally where the sun catches. And you can see I'm going a bit slapdash here. You know, I'm consistently swirling very lightly. I'm not pressing down with my brush, but consistently swirling and just blending and making sure I blend it into my hairline as well, just so it's more natural. I haven't tried it on my body before. I'd imagine this would take a long time to do. Let's have a go. What I've noticed about this is the longevity. It lasts all day. Really, really shocked. It depends on the amount of makeup. The more makeup I've got on, the more like setting powders and primers I've got. So the chance of it staying put is a lot better. But generally just a basic makeup like I've got on today, very lightweight foundation. This stays on all day. I think it's nice. There's no marks. You can't go wrong with this foundation, because if you do, you can easily rectify it. The only thing I'd say is not go in heavy-handed. And other than that, it's fine. I would 100% buy this again. Absolutely. And if they bring out little minis, I am going to be snapping it up. Yes, it is expensive, £42, but you do get a lot. £42 is expensive, and it'd be interesting to see how long it does last. I love it, love it, love it. It'd be nice to see what the other shades are like. If they do come out for mini, I might get a lighter one for winter. But I think this is all right. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and I'll come back later on to give you not my final thoughts as such, because obviously I've been testing this for the last couple of weeks, but just to show you what it looks like on my skin. You can see now. Just a nice natural glow. I'll be back later. Hi there, it's now just gone 9:30 at night. It's getting dark. I'm going to take my makeup off. I've had enough of these lashes now. They need to go. So I just come back to give you a bit of an update on what my skin is looking like since I last saw you. 8 hours on and I'm still bronzed. I do really like this bronzer. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. It is really, really nice. I just love the cream powdery formula, the way it blends, the way it sits on my skin. Oh, I just really, really like it. So yeah, even though the rest of my makeup isn't looking the best, I'm still bronzed. I am really chuffed for this. I just wanted to do a video to show you what it's like on my skin and to tell you why I love it so much. But I'd love to hear what you think. What do you think of this bronzer? Have you tried it? Do you find that it blends super easily and lasts ages and ages, just like me? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. Even if you think, what on earth are you on about, Claire? It's crap. I'll never buy it again. I'd love to hear, because we all learn from each other and it's really great to read different opinions. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.